How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can fix this issue if we see the message, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to this spam. So let's just go ahead. So if you're getting this kind of error message on your account, it means that your account has been banned by WhatsApp, likely due to the violating their terms of service. And in order to do this, you need to follow the steps. So for that, you can head over to the WhatsApp first. And once you are here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right and open up the settings. After that, head over to the contact us section. So go to the help section from here and you need to go to the help center and explain your situation and request a review of your account. So if you believe the ban was a mistake, be sure to clearly state why you were not spamming and follow the WhatsApp guidelines to avoid the future bans. Once you have submitted your request for the WhatsApp to review your case and potentially reinstate your account, and these are the steps you can follow up that may most likely help you to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp error. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.